Okay. Got it. Okay, here, let's see. There are the horns, metal ones. That one's kind of bent up. I hit a manhole cover like a tiddlywink. Let's see here. Let's start this baby up. Alright. A good air pressure. Looks like. Okay, let's try it. There we go. That's from outside. I'll set it over here and see what happens. If we can get it. There's a little dog again. See, not scared of any train horn. Alright, let's see. Look. That'll give us a outside. I'll get over here a little closer. I don't know if that got it or not. Let's leave. Alright, cut it off.